Hey everybody, my name is Shaunt, and today we're at Antikka Cafe here in Toronto's West Queen West neighbourhood. This is a coffee shop and a record store that I started with my brother about 3 years ago now. And one of our specialties here is Armenian coffee, which makes us always super proud to serve here. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that today. So to start, the coffee that we use to make it is called Untitled Coffee. This was a project started by Cezve. You may know him as the lead singer of System of a Down. And he's working with a roastery out in Los Angeles to do a little bit more of a modern take on Armenian coffee. And yeah, it's super great product. It really fits in with everything that we're doing here. Him being a musician and entering the coffee world. Those are the two things that we really try to bring together here. So yeah, so Untitled Coffee is what we use to make our Armenian coffee here. So another sort of special element about how we do things here is we actually use a bed of hot sand as the heat source to boil the coffee. So Armenian coffee is a very simplified form of coffee. It's what I like to call sort of like the first wave of coffee, where the elements that you're using is simply coffee, water, and heat. So since this first wave of coffee, you've had things like filtration and pressure enter the equation in the process of making coffee. But in this particular way, those are not part of the equation, and it's a very simple way of making the coffee, which I actually really love. But using a hot bed of sand is not necessary. You can use your stovetop. Any sort of heat source really will do the job. So the next thing you're going to want is a pot with a spout, which will make it really easy. And just go ahead and put that into your onto your heat source. And next we're going to add the coffee. I always like to add sort of like a nice full tablespoon. You're going to go ahead and stir the coffee in. And now we're just allowing the coffee and the water to be in contact with that heat source until it brings the water to a boiling temperature. You know, like I said, making this coffee is really truly a simple process, but that's again the beauty of it in a lot of ways. The one sort of secret in the process is making sure that the grinds that you're using are very, very finely ground, because like I said, there is no filtration in this process. And if the grinds are not fine enough, they will not settle properly at the bottom of the cup when you're drinking it. So that's kind of the one secret into getting good tasting Armenian coffee. So you'll see sort of bubbles starting to form around the edges, and you'll see the coffee sort of start folding over itself, and that's sort of the first boiling temperature. And then you want to remove it from the heat when it gets to that temperature. Give it a little tap to get the grind settling properly, and then bring it back to the heat for a second boil. This way you're extracting as much flavor from the coffee as possible without actually burning the coffee. And there you have it.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Shaunt.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Paria Horzak.
Enjoy.